Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for environmental studies for standard 5, chapter number 19, A Seed Tells a Farmer's Story. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more updates. So now we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, which animals were used in olden times for farming? It's option number B, bullocks. Second, which implement is used to plow a field? It's option number C, a plow. Third, which implement is used to harvest crop? It's option number D, a sickle. Fourth, what is the special dish prepared with various vegetables and spices cooked in an upside down pot during winter known as? It's option number C, deshi undiyu or umbadiyu. Fifth one, which crop is grown for producing cotton cloth? It's option number D, cotton. Sixth one, on which festival is it accustomed to eat undiyu and jalebi? It's option number C, Uttarayan. Seventh one, due to the excessive use of which fertilizer does the constitution of soil get spoilt? It's option number B, chemical fertilizer. Now we'll continue with question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, a person who farms is known as a farmer. Second, Damji Bhai stored good quality seeds for farming in a dry bottle gourd coated with mud. Third, to protect grains from insects, neem leaves are kept in them. Fourth, to make deshi undiyu, vegetables with spices are kept in an inverted earthen pot, which is then put on coals and allowed to cook. Fifth one, cotton is obtained from cotton pods from which cloth is made. Sixth one, if you want to eat fresh green vegetables, you have to wait for the winter season. Seventh, canals are made from rivers to provide water for irrigation of fields. Eighth, to protect the crops from insects, pesticides are sprayed on them. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, a plant grows out of a seed. It is true. Second, once the crop is ripe, it is harvested with a spade. It is false. Third, organic farming is excellent for the health of human beings. It is true. Fourth, only chemical fertilizers must be used in fields to grow grains. It is false. Fifth, earthworms make the soil fertile. It is true. Sixth, we should use various grains in our food. It is true. Seventh, Hasmukh Bhai kept up Damji Bhai's traditional method of farming. It is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, to get water out of a well, it's option number 4, motor pumps. Second, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, it's option number 5, fertility of soil decreases in the long run. Third, to get water from for irrigation from rivers, it's option number 2, canals. Fourth, organic farming, it's option number 1, fertility of soil increases in the long run. Now we'll continue with question number 5, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, from which grains are rotis made in our home? Rotis are made from wheat grains. Second, from which grains can rotlas be made? Rotlas can be made from the flour of bajra, jowar and maize, that is corn. Third one, in your house, what is done to protect grains and pulses from insects? In my house, grains and pulses are coated with castor oil and neem leaves or mercury tablets are kept with them to protect from insects. Fourth one, how did Damji Bhai store seeds for next year's crop? Damji Bhai stored the seeds for next year's crop in dried bottle gourd which has coated with mud. Fifth one, what is enjoyed along with deshi undiyu or umbadiyu? Hot bajra rotlas freshly cooked on the chulha. Homemade butter, ghee and buttermilk are enjoyed with deshi undiyu or umbadiyu. Sixth one, what is the advantage of plowing the ground with the help of a tractor? It takes many days to plow the ground with bullocks, but with the help of tractor, this work is done within a day. Seventh one, name 2 festivals related to farming. Lohri, Holi, Baisakhi, Onam, etc. are related to farming. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions. First one, what is deshi undiyu or umbadiyu? Fresh vegetables are put in a clay pot along with fresh spices. The pot is sealed well and kept upside down between hot coals. The vegetables are cooked slowly in this special cooker. The mixed vegetable, which is prepared in a special way with specific spices, is known as deshi undiyu or umbadiyu. Second one, which vegetables are used to prepare undiyu or umbadiyu? Potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, carrots, small brinjals, capsicum, coriander leaves, ginger, sweet potatoes, purple yam, and surti beans are used to prepare undiyu or umbadiyu. Third one, which facilities has Hasmukh got from farming? Hasmukh made a lot of money from farming. He rebuilt the old house. He bought new machines for farming. He used an electric motor pump to pump water. He bought a motorcycle to go to the city easily and also a tractor to plow the field. Fourth one, whatever happened with Hasmukh, who farmed with modern techniques, is not really progress. Why? Explain. The seeds were right. Hasmukh got a good crop due to modern farming methods, hybrid seeds, excessive use of chemical fertilizers, and pesticides in the beginning. Hasmukh profited also due to all this, but in the long run, the fertility of the soil started reducing due to all this. So, crop production reduced. As a result, the earning from farming also decreased. Fifth one, write down the advantages of farming with the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So, the advantages are plants get immediate nutrition due to the use of chemical fertilizers. The crop plants develop and grow well. The produce obtained from the farmland is very good. Pesticides destroy the insects that harm crops so that the crops do not suffer any such harm. Income obtained from farming increases. Sixth one, write down the disadvantages of farming with the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Due to the continued and excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the soil loses its fertility in the long run. The income obtained from farming decreases gradually. The land lacks nutrition in the long run and crop produce decrease in the long run. Pesticides dissolve in rainwater and pollute land and water. Seventh one, write the benefits of organic farming. So the benefits are the physical, chemical and the biological condition of the soil improves, the fertility of the crop remains intact, moisture is retained in the soil, the plow goes deep into the soil. Since the furrows are deep, water can be stopped from flowing away. Environment that is favorable to crops is provided. The constitution of the alkaline ground is retained. Nutritious and tasty vegetables and fruits can be obtained. Eighth one, what would happen if all the farmers sow only one kind of seed and grow only one kind of crop? There will be a lot of problems if all the farmers were to use only one kind of seed and grow only one kind of crop. For example, people would not get different things to eat. All of us would get to eat things made from only one grain, due to which we would stop liking them. Farmers also would not get good prices for their produce. This is because when production is more, cost is less. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Answer is asked. First one, what is the place where the crop grows and ripens on a plant known as? Write it. So name of the plants are already written, and name of crop part you can see from this box and write. Second one, name the food items that can be made from wheat and bajra. So from wheat, sheera, rotis, laddus and puris can be made, and from bajra, rotlas, vada, dhebras and kuler can be made. Third one, make a list of cereals, vegetables, pulses that are grown in your area. Of those, is there anything grown that is famous in the nearby region? So you need to complete this box that is given below. Now we'll continue with question number 8, that is classify the following tools into traditional and modern tools used for farming. So tools for traditional farming are plow, weeding implement, flatboard, spade, hoe and sickle. And tools for modern farming are tractor, choward, harvester, rake, thresher and cultivator. Now the activity, collect reports about farming and farmers from the newspapers, paste them in the space given below and discuss them. So you just need to stick out the newspaper cuttings which are related to farming. Now the HOTS questions. First one, what did Damji Bhai himself make to store and protect seeds of the new year? It's option number C, a strong wooden box. Second one, in Gujarat, in which month do farmers start sowing? It's option number B, Ashad. Third one, which of the following is a festival associated with farming? It's option number D, Pongal. Fourth one, what happened to Hasmukh Bhai's farmland due to modern changes in farming? It's option number C, the ability of the land to give a good crop decreased. And here we come to the end of chapter number 19. A seed tells a farmer's story. I hope you have understood the whole chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.